day, learners, and today I am your teacher Ria, and I will teach you about correcting knowledge on sound symbol correspondence. So, what is correcting knowledge on sound symbol correspondence? It is the ability to listen to the sounds in words and write down the letter for those sounds. There are some vowels rules or principles in accent generalization, and with that, I will be presenting to you the 11 rules. So, while watching and listening to me, you can now get your pen and paper so that you can learn too and acquire these things. So, let's start to rule number 1. Rule number 1 states that if there is a single vowel letter at the end of the word, then the vowel letter has a long vowel sound. For example,
me, be.
So let's move on to rule number 2. If there is a single vowel letter at the end of the syllables, then the vowel letter may have either long or short vowel sounds. And these are the examples.
Go, so.
Do you notice anything between rule number 1 and rule number 2? Yes, you're right. They are similar. There is also a rule for that. If a vowel letter is followed by one or more consonants, then the vowel letter has a short vowel sound. Shall we go to rule number 3? Okay. Rule number 3 states that if the last letter of the word is followed by R, L, W, then the vowel letter has a long vowel sound. And these are our examples.
Bar, ball, cow.
Can you catch up, learners? Okay, so let's move on to rule number 4. If a vowel was followed by R, it has usually a sound that is neither long or short vowel sound. And these are our 4 examples.
Here, fur, for.
Can you create your own examples, learners? Try to write it down on your note. So let's go to rule number 5. The Y at the beginning of the word has a consonant sound, while the Y at the ending of the word has the vowel sound. For example,
Youth, your. Sky,
let's take a look to rule number 6. The example word was fat, which has a short vowel sound, and when we add the letter E, the pronunciation will be fate, and it will have a long vowel sound, which makes the letter E silent, and it was called silent E syllable. Is the rule number 7. When AJ, AY, EA, EE are found together, the first vowel sound is usually long, and the second one is silent. So let's take a look at our examples.
plea, see, coat.
Let's move on to rule number 8. It states that the vowel pair O as in OW may have either the sound heard as cow or toe. Cow, toe. Ow, o. Cow, toe. It's different, right? Let's proceed to rule number 9. when a u, a w, o u, o I, and o y are found together, they usually blend to form a diphthong. And our examples are
fault, law, out.
I hope that you are still following and you are still writing in your notes. Rule number 10. The OO sound is either long as in food or short as in cook. Rule number 11. The last rule states that if A is the only vowel in a syllable, then and is followed L or W, then the A usually neither long or short. For example,
All, tall, how, flow.
That's all, my dear learners. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.